Guys, you're watching Division 5 and I just completed this here. Thanks for watching. You're watching Division 5 and this here is my powerful flyback circuit. Subscribe and watch the next video as I'll be showing the circuit board on how to make yourself one of this guy here. As you can see, I got the flyback here, my circuit printed down here, and here is a motor that converts DC to AC and is then sent to the transistors there, and then the flyback sent small pulse to this capacitors here, and then you end up getting voltage multiplied